Alrighty, here's a night shift work from home job that will train you. And you know what? The pay's not too bad either. So we're going to get right into this one. So SnapDocs is a legitimate established technology company that provides a platform to streamline real estate document management and mortgage closing processes. They're looking to hire an operations specialist to work full-time remotely anywhere within the United States. No location restrictions anywhere on this job description. And you'll work evening shift Mountain Time Zone hours, and they want you to be available to work weekends. So your hours will be from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Mountain Time Zone hours. You don't have to live in the Mountain Time Zone, just translate your local hours to those hours, and occasional weekends. Now, I do want to mention this. They tell us you can expect consistent, reliable hours through the fourth quarter of 2025. And then starting early 2026, your hours may fluctuate based on business needs and volume. And they will train you. Training will be provided during daytime hours for the first 2 weeks. Now, scrolling down the application, they do ask us, are you available to attend daytime training approximately from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Mountain Time for your first 2 weeks of employment? So hopefully daytime training hours work out for you. And as far as pay, if you live in the San Francisco Bay Area, New York City Metro, or Seattle Metro areas, they'll pay you $25 per hour. All other areas, they'll pay you $22 per hour. So in this job, you'll play a critical role in ensuring smooth, error-free signing experiences for customers and notaries. Basically, you'll coordinate and schedule notaries for signing appointments, managing communication between parties, and updating order details for accuracy. You'll troubleshoot and resolve common transaction issues, escalating when necessary to prevent delays. You'll also review and quality check documents for accuracy, ensuring every signature, initial, and date is correct before completion. You'll make proactive outbound calls to resolve time-sensitive issues, monitor order processes, and apply independent judgment to anticipate and prevent potential issues, work cross-functionally to report discrepancies, resolve document errors, and maintain service quality, provide thorough feedback on process and product improvements, and contribute to special projects and initiatives as assigned by leadership. And what they want from you is 1 to 2 years customer service experience. It's a plus, but not required. It's a plus you have mortgage, title, or notary background. You're detail-oriented, organized, you're calm under pressure, you're an excellent communicator, you're empathetic, patient, and you find fulfillment in helping others succeed. You have a learning mindset, you're comfortable using multiple computer systems and adapting to new technology, and you thrive in a remote, team-oriented environment. So that sums up this night shift work-from-home job. Hopefully it works out for you. And if you're looking for easy daytime work-from-home jobs, check out this video right here. And come back to this channel frequently. I post work from home job leads on a regular basis almost every day of the week. I know it's hard out there, but there are a lot of remote jobs available. We're on our way to finding the perfect one for you. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.